Hi everyone. I'm excited to announce 2 giveaways that are coming up. So today's video will be one of those 2 giveaways. So keep watching and enter to win. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandy if you're new here. And today it's super exciting. It's giveaway day. So I am doing 2 giveaways. So today is the first giveaway, and it is a Cricut die cutting inspired giveaway. And the rules of the giveaway are that you need to like this video, you need to subscribe to my channel, and you'll need to comment down below why you would like to win this giveaway. So let me share with you all some of the things that are included in this giveaway. One of the first things is this squeegee from 143 Vinyl. And this is good for burnishing your vinyl and things like that. Purple, my favorite color. And then also, this is one of my favorite all-time tools. It's a pen weeding tool. P-I-N-P-E-N weeding tool. And it's not a writing pen. It actually has a really sharp pen there, and it helps you weed your vinyl away from your carrier sheets. So you get that in a nice little pocket protector case. You also get from Cricut a scraper and a spatula. And this one, you don't necessarily want to use this for burnishing as much. It's more for kind of scraping up scraps and things like that. You will also get, to help you with maybe a project that you want to make, this is a flour sack towel. So it's a white 100% cotton flour sack towel, brand new, and it is 27 inches by 27 inches. So I've done a couple different videos where I've ironed on, and these are super popular, great for gifts, things like that. So you get a flour sack towel. You will also get a green Cricut, was a strong grip, standard grip mat, cutting mat. And you will get one of my, this is one of the items I sell in my Etsy store. So it's printable vinyl stickers, and this is my spring summer collection of stickers. So you will receive that, and then you will also receive 1 sheet of printable vinyl. So you can print this out. You could make your own print and cut designs, decals, stickers, etc. And then lastly, and I don't have any right now, but it's on order. It's some, you will get a 12 by 12 sheet of black iron-on. And so you'll have some iron-on for you to, ooh, it's dusty. You will have some iron-on as well. So just to recap, you'll get a 12 by 12 sheet of black iron-on. You'll get this sticker sheet. You'll get a blank printable vinyl sheet. You'll get your flour sack towel. You will get this Cricut scraper and spatula, a standard grip mat, your squeegee from 143 Vinyl. Absolutely love this tool. And your pen. And you also, in your comments down below, if you are still listening, you need to add the secret word or the secret phrase, and it is a purple pen. So that's the secret word. You need to have that in your comment down below. All right, so this is just a thank you. I've hit 200 subscribers. I didn't imagine that I would. So I'm super excited about that. So I just wanted to do a giveaway here. So again, the rules are you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below why you'd like to win this, and include the secret word or secret phrase, purple pen. And this giveaway will be open through May 25th. That's the last day. And then on the 26th, I will draw for the winner. All right. Good luck, everybody. And I will see you all in the next video.